So straight ahead of us there is Westminster Bridge, which built. It was completed in 1750, and London has 20. Is the bell inside the tower, and it weighs 13.5 tons. Wife, I would put poison in your coffee. And he looked at her and he said, if I was your left-hand side, you can see that white building there with the clock face. That's called the Shelmeck Centre. It is actually the inside. We can also see the Savoy Hotel over on the left, the big white buildings at night. It's one of the world's most famous and luxurious hotels. So the song Waterloo Sunset got its inspiration from... So we're nearly be fast moving. And if you look over on the left, you can see the lions on the bank. So we don't want it to go up towards their mouths, because that's when they start to issue. One. And if you want an apartment in it, halfway up with views across the... over on the left-hand side. So St Paul's Cathedral is 300 by Christopher Wren. It took 35 years to build. Was built. You can see Blackfriars Bridge straight ahead of us, the third crossing after London Bridge and Westminster. And over on the right hand side is the Tate Modern Art Gallery, which is a ex-power station, one of the most visited. Is actually the least used bridge in London. Over on the right hand side there's it's called Golden Hind. And it is a replica of the ship Sir Francis Drake, 1973. It was opened by the Queen. The original London Bridge, of course, was built by the Romans and was the only bridge. There you go. With a red double-decker bus on it as well, so you can't get more London than that. We've got a little bit of a way because there's quite a few boats out today. Give them a wave, say hello to them, wave, 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 wave.